Hi, friends! Today we learn the letter B. Are you ready? B. B. Bear. B is for bear. Bear. B. B. Bus. B is for bus. Bus. B. B. Ball. B is for ball. B. B. Banana. B is for banana. Banana. B. B. Bike. B is for bike. Bike. B. B. Butterfly. B is for butterfly. Butterfly. Well done! You learned the letter B. See you next time on Deno's Academy. Bye-bye!